Cleaning your home doesn't have to be a daunting task. What if I told you that you likely have most of the ingredients you need right in your kitchen? According to a study by the University of California, Irvine, the average household contains over 100 chemicals, many of which can be replaced with natural alternatives. Here's the catch: these alternatives can be just as effective, if not more so. But it's not that simple. Many of these chemicals have been linked to health problems, from respiratory issues to cancer. A study published in the Journal of Exposure Science and Environmental Epidemiology found that women who used cleaning products daily had a 13% higher risk of breast cancer. What changes everything is this: natural ingredients can provide a safer alternative. One of the most effective natural cleaning ingredients is baking soda. It's a natural abrasive that can be used to scrub away tough stains and odors. According to the American Cleaning Institute, baking soda is also a natural deodorizer, making it perfect for use in the fridge or freezer. In my own kitchen, I use baking soda to clean my sink and stove. Vinegar is another powerful natural cleaning ingredient. It's a natural antibacterial agent that can be used to clean surfaces and kill germs. A study published in the Journal of Environmental Health found that vinegar was effective in reducing the growth of E. coli and other bacteria on surfaces. But it's not just for cleaning. Vinegar can also be used as a natural disinfectant. Lemon juice is another natural ingredient that can be used for cleaning. It's a natural bleach alternative that can be used to whiten and disinfect surfaces. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, lemon juice has been shown to have antibacterial properties, making it effective against a range of bacteria. What's more, lemon juice is also a natural air freshener. But how do these natural ingredients compare to traditional cleaning products? A study published in the Journal of Cleaner Production found that natural cleaning products were just as effective as traditional products, but with fewer environmental impacts. Here's the catch: many traditional cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that can harm the environment. So, what are some practical ways to use these natural ingredients in your cleaning routine? One idea is to make a natural all-purpose cleaner using baking soda, vinegar, and lemon juice. According to a study published in the Journal of Environmental Science and Health, this combination can be effective against a range of bacteria and viruses. Another idea is to use baking soda to clean your carpets and upholstery. It's a natural deodorizer that can absorb odors and leave your home smelling fresh. A study published in the Journal of Textile and Apparel Technology Management found that baking soda was effective in reducing odors in carpets and upholstery. But it's not just about the ingredients, it's also about the methods you use. Microfiber cloths, for example, can be used to clean surfaces without leaving streaks or residue. According to a study published in the Journal of Cleaning Technology, microfiber cloths are more effective than traditional cloths at picking up dirt and dust. So, what are some common myths about natural cleaning ingredients? One myth is that they're not as effective as traditional products, but as we've seen, this isn't necessarily true. Another myth is that they're more expensive, but many natural ingredients, like baking soda and vinegar, are actually very affordable. But what about the environmental impacts of natural cleaning ingredients? A study published in the Journal of Cleaner Production found that natural cleaning products had a significantly lower environmental impact than traditional products. What changes everything is this: by choosing natural ingredients, you can reduce your environmental footprint. So, how can you get started with natural cleaning ingredients? One idea is to start by replacing one or two traditional products with natural alternatives. According to a study published in the Journal of Environmental Health, even small changes can make a big difference in reducing your exposure to harsh chemicals. Another idea is to make your own natural cleaning products at home. This can be a fun and cost-effective way to get started with natural cleaning. A study published in the Journal of Consumer Research found that people who made their own cleaning products were more likely to use them regularly. But what about the cost? Isn't natural cleaning more expensive? Not necessarily. Many natural ingredients, like baking soda and vinegar, are very affordable. According to a study published in the Journal of Consumer Research, people who use natural cleaning products often report saving money in the long run. So, what are some other benefits of natural cleaning ingredients? One benefit is that they can be better for your health. Many traditional cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin and respiratory system. A study published in the Journal of Occupational and Environmental Medicine found that people who used natural cleaning products had fewer health problems. Another benefit is that natural cleaning ingredients can be better for the environment. Many traditional cleaning products contain chemicals that can harm aquatic life and contaminate soil and water. According to a study published in the Journal of Environmental Science and Health, natural cleaning products can reduce the environmental impact of cleaning. So, what's the bottom line? Are natural cleaning ingredients worth it? The answer is yes. Natural cleaning ingredients can be effective, affordable, and better for your health and the environment. What changes everything is this: by choosing natural ingredients, you can create a healthier and more sustainable home. But don't just take my word for it, there are many real-life examples of people who have made the switch to natural cleaning ingredients. According to a study published in the Journal of Consumer Research, people who use natural cleaning products often report feeling more satisfied with their cleaning routine. So, what are you waiting for? Make the switch to natural cleaning ingredients today. With a little creativity and experimentation, you can create a cleaning routine that is effective, affordable, and sustainable. What changes everything is this: by choosing natural ingredients, you can take control of your health and the environment. In conclusion, natural cleaning ingredients are a game changer for anyone looking to create a healthier and more sustainable home. With their effectiveness, affordability, and environmental benefits, it's no wonder why more and more people are making the switch. So, what are you waiting for? Join the natural cleaning revolution today. If this changed how you see things, what I'm posting next week will go even deeper. Subscribe now to EspacioInteligente for more home hacks, smart organization, and energy-saving tips.